Lovely Joy, and let's proceed to number 3. Number 3. One value to multiple variables. X equals to y equals to z equals to 100. This all three variables equals to 100. So, print x, y, and z. Ang output niya is 100, 100, 100. Kaya ang value sa x, y, and z is 100.